Today, we will discover how to spot setups quickly. We will be observing the price action in detail for momentum trading. Furthermore, we will improve our trading skills to achieve pro trader level. If you're ready, let's go. Let's have a talk about missing pieces in trading and also look at the latest price actions, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum. When I was looking at the Ethereum chart, I noticed a strong momentum in the last couple of days. Price was heading towards the obvious previous week high location and trying to take out some recent previous day highs along the way. As you can instantly notice the gigantic multi-imbalance area location. What you are looking at here is only 1 hour chart. But if you go through multiple time frames, you will notice other time frame imbalances. Plus, there was this swing failure pattern supporting the area after the imbalance step. So all in all, we have clear targets and possibly nicely located fuel points. If we were to look for trades, this would be the exact location to take a direction and long bias trades upwards. However, I have a different kind of question for you. If you go to the lower time frames, for example 15 minutes, would you place a trade like this one? Yes, this is a possible setup without even going to lower time frames or looking for lower time frame market structure break confirmations at all. But this trade does not make much sense because the target and risk reward ratio are not very ideal. Especially I'm talking about considering the commissions with cryptocurrencies. So my other idea is to drop down to the even lower time frames and check out something else. Now we are looking at the same area, but just in a 1 minute time frame. I know some people are afraid of the 1 minute time frame. And honestly, I also do not enjoy 1 minute trading so much. However, what I'm going to teach and show you is the missing piece in trading. When you look at this chart, if you are trading a 1 minute time frame setup, this will be our possible trade setup after the inner break, right? And this setup makes quite a bit of a sense with 2R possible target. So when you are just placing trades, you have to be considerate about your risk and rewards, unless you are trading with funded accounts and have to trade funded accounts that I teach in the Masterclass if you want to use like negative ratios. Let's talk about the missing piece that can improve your trading a lot. Once you identify a clear target and possible fuel locations with the like multiple imbalances or swing failure patterns, you have a direction now. A direction is great because you know which side to take trades, long or short. But here, so many people make mistakes. They are not adjusting their targets and stop losses based on their time frames. They just place everything out of luck and hope. So basically, once you have your direction and the bias, your trade size, target, and the stop loss should depend on the time frame you decide to trade, or on the time frame you find a clear structure and shift and price action. So if you are in a 1 minute time frame, it can be set up like this. It looks very small, but this is a 2R target setup. Or if you find great and clear price action in 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, or maybe even 15 minutes, you need to adjust your stop loss and target based on the time frames you selected to trade. So, today's lesson is very important and direct. High time frames give you your bias and possible directions to trade because you find clear major targets and clear major entry areas. The lower time frames are great at confirming price action, inner trends, and ways of building your setups. However, your final setup will always depend on the time frame you selected to trade in, because the time frame you trade will give you the stop and the perfect target position. So basically, if you are in a 1-minute time frame, you place your stop loss and target based on the 1-minute time frame. You are not going to use 1 hour stop loss location or target areas. Okay, people, this is it for today. We discussed a lot of important subjects. Please stay safe and see you next time. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.